Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you one chapter from your literature book, English Beehive. Okay, this is chapter 3, The Little Girl. The Little Girl is written by Catherine Mansfield. Actually, this is the story of the narrator Catherine Mansfield. She told about her childhood, when she was a child, how she was afraid of her father. Actually, this story is about a very little girl, and the little girl is Catherine Mansfield. And she narrates in this story that when she was a child, she was too much afraid of her father. Okay, so when her father comes from the office, she went into her room and put out his boots, shoes, okay, and sit on the chair. And she noticed that her father never she look after her. Her father was very busy. Whenever he comes from the office, he just lay down on the sofa, and her mother was also busy. Okay, both her father and mother were very busy. So on the Sunday, whenever he was at home, on that time her grandmother told her that to go and talk with her father and mother, because if you give some time to your father and mother, then they understand you and your feelings. So every Sunday he went into the room of her father, and she saw that her father was lying on the sofa and put the paper on his head, and her mother was also sit on other chair, and she was also busy in reading the books. In this way she spent her life. So one day her grandmother told her that after few days your father's birthday is just near, so you must give him a gift. So she asked from her grandmother what gift I should give. Then she told, you made him a pin cushion and that you present him. So she take out a cloth, she sewed the cloth from all the three sides, and then she want to fill something into the cushion. So she asked from everyone, but she didn't get anything. So now she saw that some papers were lying on the table of her father, and she put out all the paper and she tears the papers and put into the cushion and sewed it. So next day her father, when he was about to go to the office, on that time he was searching the paper. Where were the papers? Because that papers were very important to him, because in that paper he has written one speech, and he has to deliver the speech to the port authority. So he was searching everywhere. He told the servant to go and search. He also told her wife to go and search my papers, because that papers were very important. So her mother, servant, everyone searched the paper, but they didn't find the paper. So when they didn't find the paper, on that time Kezia mother told to go and ask from the Kezia. So they called the Kezia. She asked from the Kezia, you know your father's paper? Then she told, yes, I have tear the paper and put into the pin cushion. Then her mother told, no, you have to face your father, because her father was very strict. And when her father knew that Kezia had tore the paper and put into the cushion, she became very angry, and she took a ruler, means a stick, and she went into her room, and she called her and started beating on her little hand. On that time Kezia became very sad, and she was weeping. And so one day when she saw that in her neighborhood another people were also living, McDonald's families, and she saw that Mr. McDonald's was playing with his children. Okay, so on that time she saw that her father was very angry and cruel person, but Mr. Donald was a very gentleman, and he was playing with his children. So by seeing all these things, one side he becomes happy by seeing the children playing with their parents, and other side he also become very sad because her father didn't give her time. So after few days her mother become ill, so she has to visit the doctor. So her grandmother told that I am taking your mother to the hospital and now you have to live here and in the evening we will come back. But that evening they didn't return because they have to give some more time in the hospitals. So that's why she had one cook, and the cook told that no, today you have to sleep alone at the night. On that time she told no, I can't sleep alone because I had a nightmare. Nightmare means bura sapna. Okay, so she always screamed when she saw the nightmare. So on that day also she started screaming and she started crying loudly. On that time her father was smoking and he come into her room and he saw that she was crying due to the nightmare. Then he put her into her laps and throw out the cigarettes, and they take her to his rooms, and he keep her on his bed. And on that time he told Kezia that no need to dare, don't be scared, okay, don't be scared because I am with you. And you just, on that time actually the winter season was also going on, so he told that you just keep your legs on my legs, on that time you feel some warm. And he kept her on her lap, on his lap, and told Kezia no, you can sleep. And Kezia on that time feels that no, whatever she knew about her father, that was absolutely wrong. Her father was also a very kind man. Actually she understand her mistakes ki on that day I had done mistakes because I had tore the important papers of my father. That's why my father becomes angry. And she slept very well. And on that time actually this story tells us that the child are very innocent. When you become angry on that time they think that you are a very cruel person, but when you start loving to them, on that time they feel that no, you are a very good man, you are a very gentle man, you are a very kind hearted man. And that is the story of the Kezia. Thank you, have a nice day.